So this is the Craftsman Jigsaw. Now it has a bunch of features to talk about real quick. This 0, 1, 2, this is actually the oscillation mode. So as this thing is going back and forth, it actually has the ability to oscillate forward and cut and do almost a circular motion in its cutting instead of just straight up and down, which actually can help your cutting. If you're not used to that or you don't want it, you can actually adjust it not to do that. Again, this one is also speed adjustable. You can see you can go very slow all the way to very fast. It is going to have an adjustable base here. The tool for that is really hard to get to, and it's hard to get out. I'm able to do it now because I loosened it up. I could get that out if I really tried, but that does let you angle the base on this. Overall, tool weight's not bad. It does have some decent weight, which is what you want. Now we're going to go ahead and cut this. So just putting it along. There we go. So headphone warning there. We're making plenty of sawdust today. So that cuts super easy. And so this is marked as side 1. And then I'm going to cut this one the other way here with the jigsaw. Now, jigsaw for straight cutting, not as cool, but again, the goal of jigsaw is to be able to do more kinds of cuts. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to switch around between these.